Can you hear me? Is it okay? Ah, yes, sir. Now it's fine. Okay now. Actually, I still have a 5 o'clock meeting, so you just have to include. I just included you on my schedule. So what's the update now in Johor? Okay, I'll check it. Did you send me an email right now? Yes, I'm in Bahrain, but my plan is to stay here because we're doing some projects in NEOM. It's just a small project compared to the one in Malaysia and Singapore. Yes. Okay. I'm checking it. Yes. So, wait. These are the designs. Wait. Bear with me for that old man, ha? Wait. Yes. The project is doing here. We already have accumulated five contracts, POs. Now, since it was a line, so we're still trying to catch up more. Yes. So I saw it. I saw it already. I will just review it. Okay. So stated here that under Sunway, yes, that under Sunway that the TCS, there was a proposal from Hitachi. Okay, to integrate the 5G systems for the controls. Okay. So what we can do right now is I'm thinking, because as I told you before, after I finished the whole low level design. See, I was emphasizing this one already. Since the main line for the 46 kilometers, 75 kilometers causeway link, see, or railways link for the RTS, we have already a 5G system, and then you could upgrade it also to 6G. What I'm trying to emphasize before the meeting with Hitachi STS is that why not try to integrate the services of making it is a full 5G or a 6G services, wherein you could cut the cost for 40, conservatively, 30%. Yes, it will be 30%. I was telling you, because the current electromechanical system, number one, is that I was telling you, the controls for the railway tracks, using the current electromechanical, the PLC and everything, the control system. How does the control system work? See, the control system works through a certain segment before a current is stopping or total stoppage, or you will apply the brakes, is that they are going to turn off the system for each section. And then, yes, it's a segmented part of controls. That's it. Definitely it's a segmented part of controls. So basically, in terms of accuracy wise, see, it's not, there are certain delays. That's the reason why railways, to tell you honestly, railways, is that there are certain delays of maybe, it's not there is a term, right? It is not a real time. See, it's not a real time stoppage. That's it. So because that is electromechanical controls, there are certain delays. See, just like in the car, it's a confidential electromechanical system. Just like in ABS, definitely there is a delays. The one that the automatic braking system of the car is that succeedingly is stopping it in several, so that, see, there are several attempts to stop the drum brake or the braking system, so it will not skid off. See, while if you are going to integrate the system, the whole control in 5G, what are the things that you are going to? First is the mechanical parts, definitely. Second is the PLC. Accuracy-wise, it's accurate because we have another system that would monitor. Europe is doing that already. See, they are not doing this conventional electromechanical or electro-digital system for the braking for the railways. Yes. So if you want, I could make another design for you guys. See, I think it's trying to echo. Okay, when I was looking this one, but as per, but make sure, that you try to. I will try to reassess it, my friend, and try to make it. What are the things that is needed, that needs to be taken off? Maybe because if we are not going to do it again in a fast way, what will happen is that there are redundant procurement of equipments and materials. That's it. And it's going to be faster once we integrate that to 5G or 6G. Because every day, you have already fixed a fiber there that is on plan. And I'm telling you this, see. What we are going to put there are microfibers, not on, or you see, one strand for this one, maybe that's roughly around 1,000 something fibers. And we know that fibers are the last mile, my friend. So the controls can be generated easily, see, and even for the surveillance system, everything can be used. See, even for the connections and everything. See, because definitely you're going to put a security devices there. See, for the for the cameras and everything, PIDS, perimeter intrusion detection system, traffic control. It could match on the single fiber alone. So we will just have to multiplex it and put it on. It's going to be that the bandwidth is really quite amazing. You could increase. Now on the design, because definitely there are going to be aggregation switches and distribution switches. See, we need to improve it. That would be, since you are trying to go for Cisco, maybe what we could go for is industrial type. We will see, or maybe we could maximize it. Yes? The cost? What's your cost? That's it. Because as I told you, for example, the cost is, for example, for the braking system, we are talking about around $15 million here to 20 million. Okay, we may be able to cut it with a conservatively of around 30 to 25%. Okay, we will discuss. Send me the proposal, so it's going to be an extension contract consultancy for me. But I will not take that, that I'm already old, my friend. See? So I'll go back to Malaysia again. Maybe within 2 weeks' time, I will be there. 2 weeks to 3 weeks' time. What? No. It's because I have something here. I need to fix something. See, because this is quite personal. I need to fix some paperwork, and I don't want to leave my team here. I have some commitment, a consultancy commitment with 4 companies. So basically, but the concern right now is before I will go to. Yes, I will go to Kuala Lumpur, and maybe it will take maybe a couple of 1 month more. We will see. And okay, just I will give you a draft of the proposal for this one, because I have still, it's 4 o'clock, my friend. I have a 5 o'clock meeting with one of my partners in Qatar. See? Okay, Yes. I will fix it. Definitely, I will send you the proposal. I just want to know the scope. Send me all the files. Okay, and I will sign an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, and then we will see. See, because right now still I'm collecting my money there with TCS. I still have a couple of the hundred of the thousand of dollars there. See, because regarding on the, but it's already finished. See now it's going to be a different contract, huh? It's going to be a different contract. Okay, okay. Thank you, huh? So give me three. I will see, and then we could meet on. We could make an online meeting by maybe by Tuesday. I will see because I have still a lot of paperwork to do here. See? No. I cannot leave my obligation here, my friend. Yes, because to tell you honestly, before the pandemic, I did already all the costing, everything. So it is just now that the projects are coming in. So we should be able to have this kind of a word of honor to our clients. See, although we need money, dollars. See, true, like that. But definitely we need something about So maybe what? Yes. Wait, I will compute. How much is the mechanical system we are talking about before? See. Wait. The railway's mechanical system is how much? I will compute. That is the initial design that it gave you, right? If that is around 75 million US dollars. Okay, I will get 5% out of the total lump sum cost. See, 5%. Because you're going to save 30%, my friend. To tell you honestly, as we agreed before. So, if that's a random figure, still I could get around 3.7 billion to you. We are talking about dollars, huh? Okay? It's, I'm just giving you a 5% fee on this one. So 3.7. Or make it 3 million. I give you, take it off. Take it or leave it. Okay? Okay, that. We'll discuss because I have one more meeting. Huh? It's already 4 o'clock. I need to. Okay. Thank you. Okay, see you after 3 weeks. Huh? Yeah, no problem. I have a 5-year visa there. I could go direct. See, under KL, and then I will just go there once I go to Singapore. So I will talk to the guys again. But you need. Yes, you need to talk to the guys there because sometimes. There are times that traditional guys which are they are hesitant to go for the new technology. That's a problem. See, yes, that is the problem. But we are now in a technology. We have IoT or Internet of Things and everything that we need to adapt and ride on to the fiber. See, to the 5G or to the 6G network. See? Okay, thank you. So that's it. I'll just try to get 5%. So if there's a savings of 30%, so you still have 25, and I have my 5%, and that's it. I will make the design. Well, what's this couple? You see, you're going to get to almost 25. I'll just get as part of the, see. We will discuss. Okay, boss? It's already... See, we'll try to make a Zoom again. Don't worry. We'll try to set this meeting. And regards and nice to talk with you again. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Money? No, it's 5%. That's it. Done. Okay, bye-bye.